Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this teal sparkly eye makeup look. First, to start this look, I put tape on the edges of the eyes. And I'll be using the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia palette. Starting with the shade Lucky Clover, which is a kind of minty green color. And I'm putting this in the outer corners and the crease. Next, I'm using the Jeffree Star Andrgoyyn palette for the shade Poision, which is a darker teal shade, and I'm using this in the outer corner and part of the crease. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia palette again, using the shade Best Buds, which is kind of like the same minty color, but this one has sparkles. And I'm going to be putting this all over the lid and blending it into the darker shades. For lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and then topping that with false lashes. For this look, you could use a neutral toned lipstick, but I decided to go ahead and make it more bold by using a black lipstick. And that completes this teal minty green sparkly makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again next time.